Live from Studio 1A in Rockefeller Plaza, this is the third hour of Today.
Well, today's not only tax day, but it's also National Laundry Day, where the government takes us to the cleaners.
Who knew? If you dread the chore, that may not be much to celebrate. But hey, this morning we are helping you simplify your laundry routine so you don't fold under pressure.
And showing us how it's all done is lifestyle expert Bahar Tekteshian. To shop along with us, just scan the QR code below. You've got a lot of great products. Good morning.
Good morning.
So let's start with this one, because I open up the dryer and my sheets are in a ball and nothing's dry and it just never works the first time.
Yes. Sheets can be stressful because they're not dry. They get tangled. Socks can get stuck in. So this is a really nifty device that basically it's a piece of plastic. You put all four corners of a flat sheet or a fitted sheet in there.
Okay.
And then it does like a parachute effect. So like when it's in the washer or the dryer, it separates more wood regularly.
As opposed to just rolling up into one big ball.
Yes, and the brand says that it actually dries 75% faster than if you didn't use this.
And then it comes out like less wrinkles.
How do it know?
Exactly. It dries faster, fewer wrinkles, saves you time, energy, and your sanity because sheets can be annoying.
Well, and
That's
sometimes
amazing.
laundry day can get kind of messy. You got the detergent. I'm always spilling it, filling up the cup. But you have a solution?
I do. These are laundry sheets, which are really cool. This is from Miss Mouths. It's an alternative to the messy liquids, the pods that can sometimes be dangerous if you've got like kids or pets walking around. And guess what? My favorite hack is to travel with these. They're light, they're compact, and guess what? If you're like in a pinch in a hotel room, you fill the sink up, these dissolve, and you just scrub the old-fashioned way.
It's just
there's no waste. Such a great alternative.
That's brilliant.
These are also hypoallergenic, great for kids too.
Always wondered, how do you wash your baseball caps without them getting all messed up?
I know. I've never done it before until I found this product. So it's basically like a hat protector.
Okay.
Obviously looks like a little
So you
cage.
put it together.
And what you do is you put your favorite baseball cap in there, and then this prevents the cap from losing its shape.
Yes, I've had that happen before.
Yeah, because like in the summertime you get sunscreen.
And I feel like with the boys playing sports.
Yes, and the hats are gross. So the makeup
Sweats
line on
and
the
stuff.
inside.
Every one of my hats has
Yes,
that.
I know.
Now, this is kind of handy.
Right. So this is a dryer vent kit. So did you guys actually know that you have to clean the inside
I
of
know.
your
I've
dryer
never
vent?
actually done
Like
it.
not just put your hand in there.
I know.
So you're supposed to do that every time. Like every time you do the laundry, obviously you clean the lint trap, right? But every 3 to 6 months, it's recommended that you clean even further in.
The vent.
Yes,
the
I've
vent.
never actually done that.
Me neither.
That
So
will
which of
prevent-
these?
So these are two different options. This is either like a hose that you just attach right to your vacuum as so, and then it sucks up the extra lint, or it comes with a brush as well. And the reason for this, guys,
Wheel
is
it on
that
over.
if you have too much lint, it can actually cause a household fire.
Exactly, yep.
So it's a safety thing.
Oh, that's awesome.
And it also helps your dryer work more efficiently. So you don't spend as much time drying, you don't spend as much energy. It's a really great, nifty thing.
Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim chiree.
You're waiting for your moment.
In other news, stains stress me out.
Yes.
How do we more easily remove the stains and the stress?
Okay, so this is from OxiClean. It's a stain removing spray. And Dylan, you probably agree with me. I go through one of these every 2 months or so.
Yes.
I've got 2 little kids. Their clothes have dirt, grass stains, blood,
Food.
mustard.
There's just so much.
Oh, what's happening at your house?
My son Calvin, just like the second he starts the day, there's stains all over him.
Exactly. So you know what you do? As soon as you see the stain, you spray it right on the stain, and then you let it soak, and you can wait up to 7 days. You don't have to feel pressure to do
spray it and
laundry
throw it in the basket.
Spray it,
And you
wait.
like the spray better than the powder?
I love this spray.
Okay.
It smells good.
It works
You can use
really
it on
well.
color or white clothing. It's a game changer.
Now, what's this?
Okay, guys, look behind us. We have this portable clothesline.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Which is super old school, but I don't know about you, but I put like a lot of my clothes, I hang dry, like athletic wear,
Right.
garments.
And in an apartment, there's not always a place to hang things.
Yeah, so you can use this indoors or
You
outdoors.
could use this at a hotel
You could use it at
with that little bath sheet, with the little laundry sheet.
I mean, I've
got a
seen
whole
it.
laundry
Yeah.
mat in
Turned
there.
into a travel segment.
Yes, and you know what's cool? It comes with these clips, so things stay separated.
That's brilliant.
Lightweight.
that is great.
Honestly, a great way to
How
save
do it
money
know?
How do it
and
know?
to save your clothing from the dryer.
These jeans
That's
are really
fantastic.
cute.
All right.
I gotta go do my laundry. What?
Aren't you inspired?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
These are great tips, and to shop any of these laundry essentials, just scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen or head to today.com/shop.